America, built for endless hauling distances. Europe, built for compact, controlled freight movement. Same mission, radically different trucking realities today. Steel power defines American road dominance clearly. Design efficiency defines European urban survival daily. Night shifts reveal giants working non-stop highways. Morning schedules reveal precision moving freight daily. Drivers follow roads shaped by national scale. Drivers follow rules shaped by dense cities. Geography chooses winners in long-haul trucking. Wide highways demand massive tractors constantly here. Narrow streets demand short wheelbases constantly here. Scale changes economics of every freight decision. Space dictates truck architecture from the start. Clearance defines which loads survive bridges daily. Regulations decide what weight can legally move. Size brings stability across open interstates nationwide. Size brings compromise inside crowded downtown routes. Distance punishes weak parts over time quickly. Villages punish oversized rigs every corner there. Big engines deliver torque for heavy work. Small engines satisfy emissions and tax rules. Torque conquers hills with loaded trailers easily. Heat reveals true durability under pressure conditions fast. Clean exhaust hides stress inside components often. Simple tools repair complex failures anywhere quickly. Software decides mobility more than mechanics now. Old steel ignores bugs and updates completely. New systems obey code without mercy always. Rust never stops a working truck here. Youth never guarantees strength over time either. Mileage measures value better than marketing claims. Screens measure comfort, not pulling capability alone. Snow tests honesty of mechanical design hard. Sensors fear mud, salt, and vibration daily. Wear documents years of loyal service clearly. Shine documents months of careful ownership only. Metal bends and continues working reliably under load. Plastic cracks and ends productive service early. Space preserves driver health on journeys long. Cramped cabins shorten sustainable driving careers quickly. Rest determines how far crews travel safely. Fatigue determines when mistakes become disasters tragic. Home comforts exist inside American sleepers daily. Office duties exist inside European cabs mostly. Highway light paints nights like cinema scenes. Dashboard light paints nights like offices work. Panoramic glass shows distance and danger ahead. Narrow glass shows traffic and timing limits. Field fixes keep fleets earning money moving quickly. Dealer visits keep fleets legally compliant always. Heavy parts require strength and experience together. Firmware requires passwords and certified access only. Greasy hands restore drivetrains after failures quickly. Clean gloves protect sensitive electronic modules carefully. Roadside repairs save contracts and schedules daily. Tow trucks erase profit and time fast. Chrome and lights define American truck identity. Fleet colors remove individuality from European trucks.
American trucks build communities along long routes. European trucks follow rigid warehouse scheduling systems. Movies turned American trucks into cultural icons. European trucks prioritize efficiency over emotional appeal. American trucks display ownership through customization proudly. European trucks emphasize duty through standardized design. American trucks become legends through heroic styling. European trucks become tools through functional styling. American trucks prove distance requires specialized machines. European trucks prove cities require controlled dimensions.
Horizons reward power built for journeys long. Intersections reward precision built for routes short. Dust records the price of open roads. Polish records record the price of careful driving. Borders test endurance across massive states daily. Checkpoints test patience across crowded borders often. Long climbs demand engines built for suffering. Sharp turns demand trucks built for control. Vast skies make trucks feel legendary again. Low bridges make trucks feel restricted again. Headlights cut through desert darkness nightly here. Headlights mirror rain across city streets brightly. Roaring climbs prove dominance with heavy loads. Slow climbs prove limits with heavy loads. Legends grow where distances never truly end. Tools thrive where distances must always end. Open roads favor machines built for freedom. Closed yards favor machines built for efficiency. Dust follows power across open plains endlessly. Rain follows caution across tight streets constantly. Miles select machines stronger than trends today. Cities select machines smarter than brute force. Silhouettes reveal cultures shaping these machines clearly. Skylines reveal systems shaping these machines daily. One highway rewards strength without constant limits. One city rewards control with constant limits.